Hello everyone. Here we are solving accounting equation of class 11th chapter 2 and practical problem number 4, question number 4. We know the accounting equation. It is asset equals to liability plus capital. We keep two things in the mind, that every transactions passes two effects and the income is added to the capital and expenses is deducted out of the capital. So let's start with the first transaction. Mr. Swaraj commenced business with bank balance rupees 1,10,000. Write the transaction in the transaction column. Number 1, Mr. Swaraj started business with bank balance rupees 1,10,000. Here the business is started with bank balance. It is nothing but asset. So asset balance increases 1,10,000 and the amount with which the business is started is nothing but capital. So 1,10,000 is capital. Liability is 0 in this transaction. Equal to and plus will be as it is. Drawing a line, take the total now. The total will be as it is, 1,10,000 equals to 0 plus 1,10,000. Check the right and left hand side of equal to. It is 1,10,000 and left hand side is also 1,10,000. Now transaction 2, purchase furniture on credit from SM Furniture Mart 25,000 rupees. Write down the transaction as it is, purchased furniture on credit from SM Furniture Mart rupees 25,000. Here the furniture is purchased on credit. Credit increases the liability. So 25,000 in the liability column. The liability is increasing by 25,000. The furniture comes in. It is purchased means furniture will come in. It means asset comes in. So add 25,000 furniture in the asset column. Capital will be 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus as it is. After drawing a line now, take the total. 1,10,000 plus 25,000 will be 1,35,000. This 25,000 plus 0 will be 25,000 only, and 1,10,000 plus 0 is 1,10,000. This equal to and plus will be as it is. Go further for the third transaction. Bought goods on credit from Yuvraj rupees 15,000. Write the transaction here in the transaction column. Bought goods on credit from Yuvraj rupees 15,000. Here again the goods are bought on credit. So credit means liability. 15,000's liability again increasing. 15,000. The goods are bought. It means goods comes in, asset increases. So plus in the asset column plus 15,000. Capital will be 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now draw a line and take the total. 1,35,000 plus 15,000 will be 1,50,000 equal to 25 plus 15, it will be 40,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 0 is 1,10,000. You can check your equation. Check the right hand side of the equation and left hand side equation. It is 1,50,000. 1,10,000 plus 40,000 is 1,50,000. Go further for the fourth transaction. Purchase machinery of rupees 10,000. So write the transaction again here. Purchase machinery of rupees 10,000. Here 10,000 machinery is purchased. It is not done on credit, so no effect on in liability column. It is cash transaction. It means 10,000 is paid and machinery is taken, machinery is purchased. So 10,000 is going out and 10,000 machinery is coming in. So plus and minus in the assets column. Plus 10,000 machinery, asset increases or machinery comes in, minus 10,000 the cash goes out for the purchase. Here liability will be 0, capital will also be 0. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now drawing a line, again take a total. 1,50,000 plus 10 minus 10. It will remain as it is. 1,50,000 is equal to 40,000 plus 1,10,000. Total of it. Go for fifth transaction. Here is our fifth transaction. Paid electricity bill rupees 3,500. Write it down here. Paid electricity bill rupees 3,500. Paid, as I told you, paid, or if it is paid, it will be deducted out of the capital. Capital decreases, asset will also decrease. So less this 3,000 from asset, also from capital. 3,500, not 3,000. Here in this transaction, liability is 0. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now again draw a line, take total. Now 3,500 will be deducted from 1,50,000. 1,46,500 will remain. 40,000 plus 0 is 40,000. This plus will be as it is, equal will also be as it is. 3,500 will be deducted from 1,10,000. It will remain 1,06,500. Check the right hand side and left hand side again. Go for the further and the last transaction, that is sixth one. That is goods destroyed by fire rupees 1,500. Goods destroyed by fire rupees 1,500. This destroyed by fire is the loss. Okay, so goods are destroyed, it means assets value is decreasing, less 1,500. Capital will also decrease by 1,500. Liability is 0. Equal and plus will be as it is. Again draw a line and take the total.